Hi, Daryl from Darbeth here. One of the questions we kind of get asked a lot, usually by implication more than a direct question, is why video? Why would we use video? Well, there are many cases where video is not the right tool, but there are far more cases where it is the best tool to use. And the quick rule of thumb that you can use for that is something easier to show than tell. And if that's the answer to that question is yes, then it's time to use video. I've got an example here. This is a MIDI controller that we often use when we're doing live streaming. We can put a lot of descriptions down about how we actually can use this device, but it's actually far easier to bring somebody over and say, this is what you do. If we look here, we see this button is red, that button is green, all the other buttons are yellow. They are all labelled. That one's got the label fallen off, but so we can see exactly what they do. And if we want to activate, say, this camera, we push that button there, and that goes red, which means that is now the live camera, which is going out to screen. And if we want to do a preview on the main camera, then we push that one, and you notice that one is now gone green. And see, that's easy to explain by showing people than it is by putting up a whole long-winded description on a piece of text, which will potentially confuse people. So when you've got something which is easy to show than tell, that is a good case of video.